What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to do a factory reset in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down to the end and click on factory data reset option on the last. Now again scroll down to the end and here click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on this reset option here, it will reset your mobile back to factory default and it will delete everything from your phone. So all the apps, music, videos, photos and everything that you have installed in your phone will be deleted. So if you are sure, then click on reset, and after clicking on reset it will do a factory data reset. So that's how you can factory reset the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.